I've met some very interesting people, great people here in Haiti so far. You know, I'm really only spending an evening, so it's not enough time. But it's the first installment.
But we know you'll be back.
That's what I'm saying. The first installment. Cause I know I have so much Haitian fans and people over here appreciate the music. I just learned a new music form today too. Yeah, over here. And what's the name? Rabodai. Rabodai.
Drop a line or drop a line?
Yeah, I do that at the show, but you don't know. Big up to all the people and thank you very much for having me. You know, merci beaucoup. We're going to party tonight for the first installment and do it again sometime soon. You know what I mean? Hope.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.